How to download and install HiTV app in laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily download and start using the HiTV application in your laptop or in your desktop. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your web browser in your PC, and here in the search bar you simply need to search for LD Player. Now once you search for LD Player, you just have to click on the first link that you see from ldplayer.net, and then you just have to click on the download LD Player option on the home page. Now once the setup is downloaded successfully in your device, you just have to click on it, and then you just have to simply install LD Player in your laptop. Now once this step is done, you just have to log in into your Play Store into the LD Player application, and from the Play Store you just have to download HiTV application in your laptop. This is the only way of using HiTV application in your desktop or in your laptop. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.